what kind of freezer is suitable for outdoor use. Let us take a look at our latest stainless steel refrigerator. It is entirely composed of stainless steel. It is both corrosion-resistant and durable. The drawer-style design allows you to access your drinks more conveniently. Its internal space is spacious and enough to store large quantity of merchandise. And it has an efficient and energy-saving refrigeration system. Plus its excellent heat insulation ability. It can store your products better. Don't you want to get such good refrigerator?